What's good, family? So look, y'all know every time around this time of year, I make one of these videos. First, I want to welcome all the new drivers into the industry. Welcome. But look, it's a couple things you need to learn, man. It's a couple things you need to do. Not want to do, but need to do. Keep your distance between not only the four-wheelers, but other semi-trucks. That's number one. That'll save you a lot of heartache down the line, trust me. Number two is, make sure you pack extra everything. You need extra food.